Hi everyone, and welcome to the second episode in this series. In this one, we're going to create a new page in the existing project and implement routing back and forth between the main page and the new page. As always, you can follow along coding. For everything presented in the video, there is a GitHub repository with the full code. You can view the code for each episode by checking out that specific branch. Before we get into how to create a page in NextJS, we must understand what's going on underneath. Routing in NextJS is composed of two major elements, pages and links. A page in NextJS is a React component exported from the pages directory. These are the physical pages that the user sees when browsing the website. On the other hand, links are special React components that connect pages together and allow the user to navigate between them. Let's take a look at how NextJS pages are mapped in the browser. Pages are associated with a route based on their file name. For example, car.tsx will be at the /car route. Movie.tsx will be at the /movie route. There is a special case when the page name is index. Index.tsx will be at the /route. This is because index is a special keyword in NextJS, noting that the specified page is the entry point of the website. Routes can also be nested. For example, cars/tesla.tsx will be at the /cars/tesla route. Movies/ironman.tsx will be at the /movies/ironman route. Great, let's create our first page. Go over to the pages directory, right-click and create a new file. You can name this file anything, but if you want to follow along, I will be naming it movie.tsx. As I've said before, NextJS pages are just React components underneath. Here, we just need to export a component, but it's very important to export it as default. Otherwise, NextJS will not recognize it properly. So let's do just that. And for now, let's make it return a simple message such as my first movie page. Now let's run the server by typing npm run dev. We can see the new page we've created by going to the /movie route in the browser. And there we go, the message my first movie page appears. Sweet, now we know how to create pages. Let's see how to connect them and enable navigation from one to the other. Normally, when linking pages in HTML, an A tag is used. In NextJS, it's very similar, the only difference being that the A tag is wrapped in a link component that is exported from next/link. The href attribute is also moved from the A tag to the link component. In our case, let's begin by creating a link from the /movie route back to the /route. First off, import the link component. Then, down here, create a link that goes to the /route, and inside of it, put the A tag, and also some text, such as homepage. Let's test it by going to the /movie route in the browser. Click on homepage, and there we go, it worked. As you have seen, it also used client-side navigation, since there was no refresh when we clicked the link. Now, let's do the same process by linking the homepage to the movie page. Go to index.tsx and import the link component. Let's put ours right after the h1 tag. Instead of the A tag, I'm going to write movie page. Save the file and let's see if it works. As you can see, it works like a charm. In the next episode, we'll take a look at how to change the metadata of a page, such as the title, how to work with assets such as images, and how to load external scripts. See you there.